Are you worried that the home inspection might kill your deal? I'm Brian David, and today I'm going to go over how to get your home ready for the home inspection so that your transaction and your deal can go smoothly and stay on track. So the first thing I'd like to talk is just general preparation of the home. Declutter it, clean it up, and make everything accessible. Another thing to think about is if you've had any recent repairs or anything, go ahead and get that documentation ready, pass it off to your agent, any kind of receipts for major repairs and such. The second thing to consider is the backyard or the exterior of the house, not just the backyard. No rotten wood, soffits, fascia, door jambs, anything that looks soft or rotten. Have a handyman cut that out, repaint and fix it. Damaged roof, shingles missing, repair and replace. Accessibility of that breaker box. If there's big bushes around it, make sure you cut that back so the home inspector can get to that box. Tree limbs that may be close to the house or over the house, get those trimmed back. Anything small or minute, window screens, for instance, if you're missing some or they're torn, replace. It's an inexpensive repair. Moving on, the third thing is the interior of the house. Light bulbs. Make sure all your light bulbs exist. Otherwise, to the home inspector, that light fixture just doesn't work and they're going to write it up. What we're trying to do is keep the buyer from getting a list of 50 or 100 different little repairs and getting scared because they feel like you haven't been taking care of the house. So we want to eliminate all of the small stuff and the big stuff if you can afford it, but if you can't, disclose it. So moving back into the house, leaky faucets, drains under cabinets that may be dripping, batteries in the smoke alarms and the carbon monoxide detectors. All those little things add up and make that report really big. So take care of any of those items. Some additional considerations is you won't be at the home during the home inspection in most cases. So be prepared to leave your home during that process. And the last thing I'd like to say is just keep in mind that the home inspector works for the buyer. The buyer's paying them and they don't work for you. They are biased and they are covering their butts. They're going to put everything in that report because they don't want to be sued a year later because they missed something. Expect them to pick out every little thing. They're going to be nitpicky, and that's just the way it is. Hey, I'm Brian David. I hope you found this information useful. If you got a question about any of it, even if you're not in my market, please reach out. And if you or anyone you know is in the market to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, please give me a call. I'd love to help out. Even if you're in another market and you need a great agent, let me know. I have a huge network of agents. So hope you found this info useful.